We're in Myrtle Beach, South Carolina at the main Central Boardwalk area. We're going to take you on a tour and show you everything that the Boardwalk has to offer, all of the entertainment and all of the fun. We're in Plyler Park right now, which is at one end of the main Boardwalk area, and of course you've got the gorgeous Skywheel, this beautiful statue, and the beach, which is beautiful. Along the Boardwalk there are a ton of public beach accesses just like this one. Here's a little bit of a map of the Boardwalk area, and they usually have special events, but this all was different this year, of course. But you've got all these public beach accesses to this wonderful, beautiful beach, and of course all the fun and entertainment of the Boardwalk. And then once you go down these public beach accesses, you have these amazing views, up close views of the ocean and the Boardwalk. And it's just so nice because you get the convenience of everything at the Boardwalk right here as well as the ocean. So you can either stay up on the Boardwalk or you can come down here and enjoy the sand, the surf. So nice. Hi, I'm Carmen, and if you're new to our channel and you enjoy Myrtle Beach videos, be sure to click subscribe and the bell so you won't miss anything new. There are a lot of restaurants, gift shops, and then on the other side, on the street side, there's also a lot of entertainment besides the Skywheel, and we will walk over there and take a look at that as well. If you're wondering where the people are, they are here this week. They're here in force, but we are here very early in the morning. And so there's a few exercisers out, but the shops and restaurants are not open yet. There's Boardwalk beachwear. And then here's the Gay Dolphin, which is an iconic gift shop. They have all kinds of gifts. It's multi-level, it's huge, it's been here a really long time. It's definitely a place you want to check out if you're interested in shopping and looking for unique gift items. Here's a New York style pizza. Hurricanes Bar and Grill. And then there's several places along the Boardwalk that have this sort of semi-shade depending on the time of the day, and you can walk out and get some amazing views. Look down there towards the pier and the Skywheel. So beautiful today. Today is one of those picture perfect days. We have Abrams gyros, gyros. How do you say it? Let us know in the comments. Here's the arcade family entertainment, and that's one of the two arcades that are on the Boardwalk. Boardwalk Paradise General Store. Sweet treats. So nice. So beautiful. It does have someone ask us if there are public restrooms at Myrtle Beach. There are not. Some of these businesses, of course, have restrooms, but there are not like just general public restrooms in this area. There's the Fun Plaza, and the Fun Plaza is really cool. It's another arcade, but they open these big garage-looking doors, and you can actually see this wonderful view of the ocean while you're playing games. Dirty Don's Oyster Bar and Grill. Then we've got Ocean Front. It's a restaurant. You can eat outside or inside. The Boardwalk is under 2 miles long. I believe it's about 1 mile and 2/10, but I'll look it up and put it on the screen. But it is quite long if you want to walk the whole thing. It's a great way to get some morning exercise or any time of day, and you get these gorgeous views. We have the volleyball courts over here. And this is actually one of my favorite views. There's less stuff to obscure this gorgeous, gorgeous view of the ocean. And that is the 2nd Avenue Pier that you see in the distance there. So, so nice. So let's walk back around and go to the street side and check out the entertainment. There's a lot of things to do over on the street side. And this view looking down the boardwalk towards the Skywheel is just wonderful. Skywheel really added a lot to the boardwalk skyline, so to speak. Got the coffee house, the Bowery, Duffy's, boardwalk gift shop, and then up here on the corner is Peach's Corner. The name's very appropriate, and they have been there a long time. The restaurant is actually older than the city of Myrtle Beach, so it's really definitely an icon. Across the street, as you can see, we've got Ripley's Believe It or Not. We do have a video on that. I'll link that above and in the description below. It's pretty neat. So here's Peach's Corner. Got ice cream. And then here's the Fun Plaza from the other side. Old-timey photos, and someone recently asked if they have those here. They do have them here, but they also have them at Broadway at the beach. And on the other side, we've got a gift shop, henna tattoos and hair wraps, King's Beachwear, Burger Paradise, now we're up to the next arcade. This is the Family Fun Arcade. So again, it's open from the beach side and from the street side. Mr. Fry's, Surf's Up Beachwear, Ripley's Mirror Maze. We have done that. That is a lot of fun. It's very confusing. It really is a maze. Ripley's Haunted Adventure, and Ripley's 5D Theater. And just a little tip is you can buy tickets that let you go use multiple Ripley's attractions, including the aquarium, which is over at Broadway at the beach. You can buy a ticket that will let you do all the activities. So if you think you might want to do them all, that could be a better deal. And then here's the street side entrance to the Gay Dolphin. And actually, here's their iconic tower, and there are stairs in there that at least you used to be able to walk up. I can't say if you can. We haven't been in there recently, but I assume you could. More ice cream, Hi-Fi Coffee Bar. I Love Sugar across the street there. The Deadhead Shop. And the Zombie Zone. And then as you can see, we are now back around to the Skywheel. So there's quite a few activities down here, and then also a little further down right over here there are some extreme rides like a slingshot and some other crazy rides. So if you're into thrill rides, that is a great place to go. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now and click subscribe so you won't miss anything new. Thanks so much for watching. Until our next adventure.